Okay, we're gonna start this one out on this corner of McDonald's, and then we're just gonna explore. So we're just gonna take the camera around. Oh, there's somebody waving. So I don't know who they are, but we'll just say hi to them. So we're gonna start here, and then we're gonna just kind of explore and just walk around wherever we want to go. There's also some lightning out. So okay, stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we have somebody who's waving, so we're just gonna walk down one of these streets a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and kind of explore and to see what we can see. So let's just walk down this way first, and we'll just kind of show you whatever's here. So it's nighttime, it's about 10 o'clock. Here's a CD exchange. You can buy used phones here. So Huawei, all kinds of cool stuff. That's our McDonald's again. So let's just kind of see what we can see. And it looks like we're not going to see much right in this spot, but we'll just kind of make it as interesting as we can. So there's that lit up McDonald's, Macau Chinese bank, restaurant, and I'll show you where I used to live. I used to live in this neighborhood in the past. Let me just see if we can get across the street so we can adequately show you where I used to live. I used to live up there, up on the 18th floor, I believe. So I used to live here, Edificio Queens Court. That's the parking garage. So they're cleaning a little bit. So this is the street that I used to live on, and so you could be up in these places way up there, and then you can look across and you can see. I'll walk across real quick, just so you can have context. So yeah, I used to live there. Sheesh. And then you can see all these apartment buildings up here too. So like when you're up there, there's just kind of a wall of apartments. So try to imagine what that would be like. Anyways, we're gonna keep on strolling. And right up here, it's Hungry Ghost Month right now. It's full moon is tomorrow. So it's like a lunar calendar situation. So they have incense. So it's all kind of set up. Looks pretty cool. And we see this all over the city. We see that right there. So let's just kind of keep on exploring. Manning's is over there. It's nighttime, so it's like 10 o'clock. This area, there's a lot of residential businesses, but they close a little bit early. A little bit early meaning like it's only 10 o'clock, but it's a weekday. So it's, I don't know. It's not really a bar area, basically. So like, you know, if there's a lot of bars, you know, this is more like, it's just a little bit different, I guess. Okay, let's go down one of these busy streets. There's a beautiful pink colonial building straight ahead. But we're gonna be walking behind. I think the lighting is all right tonight. So let's just kind of walk down and see what we can see. So this shop is a tea shop, clothing shop. Okay. Yeah, it's also let's see what you can see. Here's Royal. It's like a Royal is a company that has well, you can see it up here. I'll show you. I think somebody wanted me to go into one of these, but I need to I don't really want to go in though. But that's Royal. And let's see, you can kind of see from here, you can see, I'd like to, that's kind of what this, if you go in, you'll see stuff from China, Korea, Japan, Portugal, lots of different products. Vinho Verde, so that's Portugal, this is Portugal as well, probably Portugal. So you have lots of Portuguese wine at all these places. Lisboa. There's some of the other products, which I guess you can kind of see, like blueberries, 69. It's about $8. Big thing of blueberries. Anyways, let's keep on going. You can see some of the alcohols right there. free delivery. 700 mop. Oh, you have to pay at least 700 mop. So if you buy over 700 mop in goods, which is about 800 mop, would be $100. Here's a restaurant. Kind of see what's in the restaurant. That looks good. Okay, let's just keep on exploring. Straight ahead, or to the right, is a Catholic church, so let's just kind of look down this way for a minute. Okay, so that right there is a Catholic church. We're gonna walk behind me though. It's kind of cool. Huh. It's like a samurai. Okay. Let's keep on walking. Up ahead we're gonna see another one of the Hungry Ghost shrines. And you kind of see it everywhere, so you see like little ones right there. And then you got a bigger one up here, so they're gonna be they'll be burning paper money, sometimes all kinds of stuff, so they'll have all kinds of paper goods. So we'll try to go as slow as we can and kind of film a little bit. And here's another one that's somebody set it up, but they just leave it for the time being. So you can kind of see there's different peanuts shrine. This one they'll burn like different paper as well. So yeah, they say there's a lot of ghosts that are roaming around right now, which is why I'm out, because it's kind of cool. So so this is kind of like an offering to the spirits. So and then they also say too that the ghosts usually are along the wall. That's what they say. They kind of hover along the wall. So that's the reason that they usually put offerings along the wall. I think that's the reason. So you'll see these offerings, but then these are here 24/7 every day, 365 days. But then these other ones that they're doing are a little bit different. So they're basically there just during this month. They'll do a lot of incense burning. All right, here's a cable TV. So we're gonna walk across in a minute, and that minute is now. So let's check it out. We got Bank of China directly ahead of us. Oh, there's a bus, not too crowded. I'd like to run across, maybe I will. I'm supposed to wait, but so we'll just keep on strolling around. It's kind of strolling a little bit aimlessly, I think. Let me see. Kind of want to go that way. Let's kind of cross the road, but I guess we'll continue going this way. I think this is a hotel right here. So, yeah, today is September 1st, and I believe September 2nd is the full moon. So tomorrow's the big day where the ghosts wander around. I guess it'd be equivalent to Halloween, where the ghosts are at their most visible, I guess. I think when they roam the earth, maybe something like that. But anyways, I was thinking I might even come out tomorrow and just kind of see if we can find some more. Oh, here we go. There's some more right there too. Yeah. So they're kind of burning like different offerings, and actually it goes, so they have some paper money and then they'll burn that as well. So this is like paper here and then some paper there as well. So let's go across here. And then here's another shrine right here as well. Smaller one. Let's see. Maybe we'll go across. Let's just small one. So you'll see bigger ones and you'll see smaller ones. Let me just see. I don't see any up that way. So maybe we'll go down this street right here. I'm just kind of wandering around, giving you an idea. This is kind of, I like to call this kind of the Manhattan-ish part of Macau. And I say that because, you know, you have all these tall buildings everywhere, and you'll have storefronts pretty much everywhere as well. I think I've ate here before. Made a video of it. I came here and I ate, I think I ate this one. And that video, I can't remember what I would have called it. Straight ahead is something we call the Three Lamps District. Just so you can kind of see, this is the name of the street. Fernando Mendez Pinto. Actually, when I was, you might not have saw that, but at the end of that alley there was a policeman I saw. He went around the corner and stopped those people in the alley. So I was kind of, felt a little funny that I was with the camera, because it looks like I'm trying to film whatever it is they're doing, whatever's up. But it wasn't, of course. Okay, here's another one. So they'll put stuff in here. They'll burn all the paper money and the paper offering kind of stuff. So those would be like more physical stuff, and then this are the more the foods. So I do a little bit of a mix of both. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's keep on wandering. And this is the Three Lanterns District right there, Three Lamps. I don't know, the translation is either lamps or district, but let's just kind of keep on exploring a little bit. And then it's a cool looking street. That one is a pretty cool looking noodle shop. Okay, so maybe we'll I'll show you this real quick. So we got a Indo market, Indonesia, Southeast Asian food mart, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, Malaysia. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that. I think we're just gonna walk into the center here, and then we're gonna end this particular film once we get in the middle. So this is the middle of the Three Lanterns District. And then this is kind of it right there. So it's kind of a circular pattern. And then this is a marketplace, so I filmed another one down there a little while ago. Okay, so we're gonna end it right here with a lantern right like that. Chiquinha, chiquinha.